In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt an AI to diagnose and fix errors. By the end, you'll know exactly how to ask for help, share the right details, and guide the AI toward a reliable plan instead of a quick, fragile patch. Start by refining your prompt. Rather than saying, fix this, ask the AI to investigate the cause of this error and propose a plan to fix it. This small change sets the AI's mindset toward root cause analysis. You're asking for why it's broken, how to confirm the cause, and what steps to take in order. That framework reduces guesswork and makes the solution easier to review and test before you apply it. When the issue is complex, maybe it spans multiple files, involves a build tool, or only appears in production, use chat mode. Enable a conversational session so the AI can outline a plan before attempting any fix. Invite it to draft milestones like reproducing the error, isolating the failing component, identifying the triggering conditions, and only then proposing code or configuration changes. A plan-first approach helps you avoid partial fixes that introduce new problems. Next, provide specific context. Open your browser's developer console by pressing F12. Look for red error messages, expand them if needed, and copy the full text back to the AI. Don't summarize, paste the exact error so it can see the stack trace, file names, and line numbers. If any message includes sensitive information, redact it before sharing. The more precise the error details, the better the diagnosis. Along with errors, tell the AI your goal and what you're observing. Explain what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any steps that consistently trigger the issue. Mention recent changes like a library upgrade or a configuration tweak. This context helps the AI connect the symptoms to likely causes and tailor the plan to your situation. Finally, clear the chat history before you begin serious troubleshooting. Starting a fresh conversation prevents the AI from overemphasizing outdated context or past assumptions. With a clean slate, your refined prompt, the real error messages, and your clear goal, the AI can focus on the current problem and propose a coherent path to a fix. Use these habits together. Refine your ask, enable chat mode for complex cases, provide concrete evidence from the console, describe your goals and observations, and begin with a clean chat. That's how you steer the AI toward dependable, testable solutions.